Let me get a perimeter. Suspect's gonna be running. Let's go. To the houses. Let me get her to Westlake. Body Brae, Court, Beverly. No Hispanic, Brae on Brae.
Tossed it.
Right.
Satchel.
Oh, yeah.
He's serving Westlake right now, and then we'll go from there. I don't think it's enough of you, but just stand by.
Oh, that's.
If you're not holding one of those out for me, you guys can break it down, and if there's any extra units, we just have you move on to mid-block on Body Brae. We're going to have to help with that.
Check requesting the units to respond to Westlake to Body Brae Park. Westlake to Body
Six 9 articles in custody. Got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Youngster?
Height 25, 30. All gray clothing.
He's in there?
Yeah. So then,
This one right in Hill. It's going to be 2 blocks. Another 1 block. I want to take it down the mountain because we've had the Westlake side covered pretty quickly.
Hey, sir, yeah, let's take this to 2 blocks. Hold it for now. We have a concern, Lord.
313.
okay, thank you.
We all have our spots. I'm expecting PD to join our team.
Okay. Hey, 1 to 60. I can hear the airship. He's loud and clear. Here! I lost track of him for a second. Let's! We clear this? I feel like I got assaulted there by that pole. We can push up. Just grab that corner.
More jungle.
Okay, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Flats! 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 Do you see him? Flats! Let go of him! Let go of him! Flats!
let go of
Flats!
the dog.
Flats! 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 Let's push up, push up, push up. Flats! Flats!
Oh,
Flats!
stop screaming. Bro, I can't.
Flats! Flats!
Bro, you can't let go.
Getting the dog off.
Los! Los!
He won't let
Flats!
go, bro.
Flats! You shouldn't have been grabbing him!
I didn't grab him.
I gotta get him from here. Los!
Put your hands up.
Los!
There you go.
Los!
Oh!
Los! Flats!
Oh, bro. Oh, I can't feel my foot.
Los!
Bro,
You got him, Mike?
bro, I didn't do nothing, bro. Bro, please get him off me, bro. Please.
Los!
Bro, I can't.
Los!
Bro, no, bro.
Los!
Ah!
Los! Los! Los!
Oh,
Los!
fuck, bro.
Los!
hands behind your back as soon as you come up, right?
Oh, fuck.
Put your hands behind your back, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
Step on up, step on up, step on up.
Yeah,
Let me see your other hand, the other hand. Come on, the other hand.
other hand. Just like that. Now don't move. Okay?
So hold on, bro. You gotta stand up, dog.
Ah!
It's kind of heavy.
Right, damn.
There we go.